Mani koktang ni mungka. COVID-19 pandemic is testing time for humanity. COVID-19 pandemic is testing time for humanity. Mani borong munisyon bagay u COVID-19 pandemic ingtong mani borong rogno test kai mani sikalai ni sujaka. Ingke ang tapor nai. The world seems defeated by COVID-19's pandemic. School and colleges are devoid of work academic. Thousands of poor people have died of hunger. Through the pandemic, is God showing anger? Hunger leads laborers to commit suicide. It's happening in the world on all four sides. Thief, gambling, crime increase in the society as there is no work in the village or the city. Suspected cases kept under quarantine. Hard to control as many as in their teens. The whole world is under a lockdown. Hopes and dreams are broken down. No one understands the superpowers policy. For innocent people, there is no love and mercy. What are their plans, schemes and purposes? Playing with lives, suffering from coronaviruses. Pandemics break out once in 100 years. Natural or artificial virus, people no longer can bear. Crops and greenery destroyed by locust swarm. Food security and livelihood are unharmed. It is a dusky, dark, doom and gloomy year of 2020. Everything and everyone faces extreme scarcity. Fear is that this may bring the big famine. Then who will be fair and who will be mean? Thousands of poor people will die from starvation. The state must take immediate preventive action. O God, show mercy, love and care. O humans, let us be equal and fair. Kitabok ke koglop no ang sukrubi kokborok bai salai sinai. Baksa joton busia pangi man baksa to businai. Ke busia rong bagi ang sukrui sanai. Ke COVID-19 pandemic is testing time for humanity. Mani borok muni sorong ni bagai o COVID-19 pandemic ngtong mani hayung gnangai. Abo coronavirus ngtong mani borok muni sono test kaimen siklai khna hi humaklai. Ge taw ya phango ke the world seems defeated by COVID-19's pandemic. Schools and colleges devoid of work academic. Mane mone khaye sangsar gnang hayung gnangai pandemic COVID-19 pandemic by messenger kha nei. Inge hain by school college ro porashona kari kha. Thousands of poor people have died of hunger. Through the pandemic, is God showing anger? Kabang ma borok maima sai ni thui tong bai kha. Tei o pandemic hoite de kai to rasno jole man bon jol ma phunukna ei hai maklai. Hunger leads labor to commit suicide. It's happening in the world on all four sides. Mane okhuima bai borok kabang ma thui kha ni sing khnai tongu chin triprang tu india ang tu teibu all four sides mane world ni joto sardiken om hai ing tong khna. Thief, gambling, crime increase in the society as there is no work in the village or the city. Mane sikok mangkhok rok tei sam hamia khaima robu baregi tongkha sing nugu social media o sukango khoraksa bazaro thangmani chalamang mak thang phai hai da bai tana nai ma hai kesi boni pocket ni rang rok lang thangmano hain bagai pandemic u COVID-19 bagai sikok mangkhok dagai baregi tongkha tamkes Taunobu parau samkri khen bagi. Suspected cases kept under quarantine. Hard to control as many as in their teens. Mane je suspect case rong ke sung quarantine no tongu. Pia ba u teens mane sikla rong no belai ke tongan kosto borok no chup ke tongan ni obas yabla. Hain bang borong tongan belai ke kosto man klai. The whole world is under a lockdown. Hopes and dreams have broken down. Whole world sangsar gnai joto jaga lockdown kha te chini one sokmani chini imang chini asagi tongmaro joto no bai thangbai kha mane for example ta just ekta example chrai in abo porikha 12 ro porikha rokha tabok entrance rogna klai entrance rog maro li ke prongni asa borsa tongmaro kamangai bai thangbai kya manklai. No one understands the superpowers policy. For innocent people, there is no love and mercy. Chini tauk sangsara wan sok tong superpower policy, super country of borong ni policy na hni wan soi tong ke o policy jodi ung tong ha ke man bikha gorib rong ni ba kuno hamjagma korei khairoma korei ke sing nukjag lai hun. Pandemic break out once in 100 years. Natural or artificial virus people no longer can bear. A pandemic ke sing nukha 100 বছর ওয়াইসা ফাইয়ে जों नुखा 1720 1720 अब काइसा पेंडेमिक का बके प्लेग रोगनि बागै 1 लाख थैखा के 1820 1820 अब हायनो कलेरा का आप्रो 1 लाख थैखा ये 1920 1920 अब वाइसा का बके स्पेनिश फ्लू आरो के 10 करोड़ बरक थैखा के ताबो हाय 2020 के 1 বছর মানে 100 বছর পর কাইসা পেন্ডেমিক মানি নুকজাক দং সংসার हाय हमाकलाई pandemic break out once in 100 years के natural or artificial virus people no sung nuk tongo virus tamos namjak roknei artificial phangthang natural phangthang borong niso to bugi tong dukhomai tong ke bear khaime ata dukhoni bagai sung China crops and greenery destroyed by locust swarm. Food security and livelihood are on harm. When the crops in mai khul rog tabuk sung nugo Rajasthan rog cook kabang ma phai chini kheto ni mai rog sagi nosto khai pai ma sung nugo tabuk social media rog sung nugo khobor rog nuk tongu kheto ni cook chini kheto ni mai rog nosto khai tong hain bagai chini food security and livelihood on harm khoti chin security khoting tong mai ro khoting tong chini jibon ro khoting tong. It's a dusky dark doom and gloomy year of 2020. Everything and everyone faces extreme scarcity. O 2020 ka belai ke manak bosor wana ma sangsa bosor dukhoni bosor inge joto jaga na obhab jung face khai tong tabo obhab jung corona virus ni lockdown ni bagai income kari kha joto jaga na jung mane obhab face khai tong joto no bugi tong. Fear is that this may bring the big famine, and then who will be fair and who will be mean. Obahin kiri tongo tabo ko taklai si asuk sijai yang nai o locust worm cook je kheto no dosto khaimeni taklai asuk sijai yang nai khalinge teibu kotor durbikho famine mane durbikho de nai abo kiri aproke sabu ka ham tongnai sabu hamia tongnai wana ma sungsang tong. Thousands of poor people will die from starvation. Aproke mai masa en thousand borok thinai tabok to thia ko next year onke mai mas marali anke thinai ni abo kirmani kokno sakang sasok mani. The state must take immediate preventive action. Hain bagi state mane sarkarok an bagi prevention khainan bagi o durbikho je ngana tei an prevention action nana nang. Oh God, show mercy, love and care. Oh humans, let us be equal and fair. Hain bang isono surna khaiye ison thani suryo sungno hamjak di sungno care khai di hine ke borok muni sarong bo address khaiye phaidi sung naisla yage hamjak lain joto equal lain joto no baksa ke saman ke tonglain hi oronio suja kha pai thago asung ani tini ni koglok english bai suimani ke bujok burokha bujok thani rok saya rok ke joton thani angna karsana ke correction bagai যদি tongkhaike ang joton thani nakar sana te welcome khai jodi correction khai roja ke ang belai ke tongthone te welcome khai hain hai joton an khapang hamja ma ya phare oron ang thaka next time hain hai malai